What's that? Yeah? So,
No,
what you're eating?
And Mama too.
I'm eating this one, guys.
I'm drinking this one.
I'm drinking coffee. Happy birthday. Dito kami kayo sana sa Marigo River. Happy birthday to you. I don't know. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So guys, we are home. And nag-grocery tayo. So dark. Okay. Nag-grocery tayo dahil birthday ng aking asawa tomorrow. So, nag-grocery tayo para sa ating lutuin. Simple naman yung request niya. So, bumili tayo ng mga ingredients ng aking i-bake tomorrow. Actually, yung ni-request lang naman niya na cake is red velvet cake. Yun na yung gusto yung kainin. Yung sabagay, masarap naman talaga. Natin magagawa. So, yun. Kasi last time, nung Mother's Day, nag-bake lang din ako. Ako lang din kumain nun. Para sa birthday. Going to wash this kasi si Beatrice nag-request. Si Beatrice nag-request nito. Request ng anak namin. Kasi I don't know what happened to her because last time she told me, Mama, we should buy something for Papa. Yung bathrobe. So, binilhan namin. So, this is our gift for him sa birthday niya. Itong bathrobe na to. So, labhan muna natin to. We're going to wash this first. Yung anak ko pala last time nag-request. Kasi nga si Beatrice, nag-cutics ako yung gumagawa. So, gusto niya yung dark na, sabi ko parang, ano na, pink. Meron na siyang pink and purple. So, gusto niya yung very, very pink. So, binilhan ko siya today. No, very, very pink. This one are more fruits and vegetables and more food. This one are more on bread. Here, ganun din. I bought 1 pack ng toilet paper. So, yan. Kung kayo, magkano ang oil dito sa amin? Yung oil, yung binibili namin is normally yung 3 liters. So, this one costs 6 euros plus na. Yung 3 litro ng oil. So, yung normally binibili. Mayroon pa naman. Kaso lang, syempre, meron pala yung 2 weeks. So, we have to buy oil for the rest of the month. Yan lang yung mga pinamili natin for the day, for tomorrow's. At actually, magbe-bake na ako later para okay na tomorrow na ihanda. Kainin na lang natin. O, diba? Ganun lang. Simpleng buhay. Actually, nagbigay ng pera yung in-laws ko para kumain kami sa labas. May na-request yung asawa ko na pagkain. So, yun na lang yung gagawin na lang namin dito sa bahay. So, kami na lang kakain. At dito na lang namin gagawin sa bahay yung ang celebration. So, mas masarap pa yung luto ko. Yun lang. Happy birthday to my husband and I wish you good health. Good health. Siyempre, wala na. Kasi kung wala kang health, wala namang mangyayari talaga sa iyo. So guys, luto na yung ating red velvet cake. Ito lang ihatiin natin. What was that? So guys, natapos na natin yung cake natin. Lagyan natin ito. So guys, we're going to make gumawa ko ng gelatin. So, lagyan ko siya ng parang frosting sa taas. Actually, this is like a cream cheese frosting. May cream cheese, may natas, may condensed, and also with jam. Oo. Ayan. Parang cream cheese talaga yung lasa niya. Sarap. So, yesterday night, ito na yung gawa ko, guys. So, lagyan natin. The remaining, guys, I will make it an ice cream. So, i-store ko siya sa freezer. And let's see what's the taste kung frozen siya. So, para magkaiba ba. Tingnan natin yung pinagkaiba ng frozen at hindi frozen. So, I still have a lot here. So guys, nagkulay tayo ng nails ni Beatrice. Katapos lang namin. Show them your nails. Kulay tayo. Show you. Look at that hoe. Ngayon, just having her...
Yum yum.
Tapos natin. Yan, ako kinulayan ko ng hot pink. No? Sit down, babe. Yes, what do you want? Soup first. Wait, soup first, babe. Ay. Please. So...
Americano again.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh!
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I don't know. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Make a wish. You did it already?
Oh!
Did you wish first?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so guys, we are going out. Magkakami-kami, not coffee. Dahil may cake kami sa bahay, nagkape na kami kanina. So, what are we going to do? Kakain kami sa labas. So, Beatrice is there. Are you excited?
Yes.
Wow. So, Beatrice na smile na. And my hair is still behave. Kasi nakapaligo ako. So, yeah. And the birthday boy looks good today too. A bit grumpy. So, anyway, yeah. Kakain tayo sa labas. Dahil binigyan kami ng pangkain. So, yan. Yes, thanks to Lolo for the food allowance. Birthday allowance. Yeah. Happy birthday, madam. No response.
Where are we going first, Mama?
It depends.
I say thank you.
It depends, Beatrice.
To the park.
Okay. Park palagi. Park. It's hot there in the park now, in the garden park. Yeah? So,
No,
so
no,
what
no,
are
no.
you eating?
And Mama too.
I'm eating this one, guys.
I'm drinking this one.
I'm drinking coffee. Happy birthday. Dito kami guys sa river. In the river
You just
of
walk there.
Yeah?
It's so relaxing.
Oh, look, I don't know. Eat all the ice cream.
Did someone borrow some ice cream so we can share?
You can share it.
Let's share.
You can have
Let's
it.
share.
No problem, Betty.
Let me this.
No problem, Bill. No problem.
But you can eat two.
Yeah. You
Let's
eat.
both eat together,
Okay.
please.
She likes ice cream, guys. Of course, it's been there. It's nice there, oh.
Never tried this bread.
Maybe we can go there later.
No, you cannot. Yeah.
You have to press the bridge to the other side.
If you walk.
Of course it's up to you.
I saw him again there. You see him? You know? He's not there anymore. What's that? Uy! The smell. You really left the smell of your fart. That's our birthday. Bata clouds, guys. Kita niyo ang clouds. Strange.
Yes, he walk a lot.
So guys, we're going home na. Yan si Beatrice. And we already bought our food para may makain kami pagdating. Supposedly kakain kami sa labas. Kaso lang, sarado pa yung kakainan namin. So, alam niyo naman dito yung schedule. It's unlike in Philippines. Alam niyo in Philippines, once they open from 8 a.m. until 8 or 10 p.m. on weekend, walang tigil yan. There's no such thing as break time when it comes to food court or restaurant. So, ganyan sa Pilipinas. Sometimes some fast food chain is actually, they're actually 24 hours. Depends on the location. Sa Calamba dati, when I work in Calamba, 24 hours yun doon. Because there's a lot of industrial area. So, ganon. Dito hindi ganyan, guys. Nagsasara. So, bumili na lang kami para uuwi kami. So, ganyan. Para pag uwi namin, we can cook our food. So, now you wonder maybe that I used to cook food at home. Kasi, you cannot rely. Saan ka talaga, kung gusto mo kumain sa isang restaurant, hindi ka naman pwede kumain ng MCD buong ano, especially nowadays.
Yeah, no.
Magluto na lang kami sa bahay. So, ganyan. Ayaw nang kumain. Actually, even before, we're eating only chicken sa MCD eh. Yung ano talaga, yung breast, makikita mo naman yun, na breast na talaga yung niluluto na napapanap. That's what we used to order naman doon. At saka si Beatrice, chicken lang din naman. So, ganun lang palagi. At saka fries. Pero, yeah, now we're trying to avoid it na. So, kami na lang nagluluto sa bahay. So, mamaya magluluto ulit tayo ng ating hapunan. So, that's our birthday for today. And tomorrow, we'll bring food to Lola there, the cake. Because Lola miss Beatrice na.
Tomorrow go to Lola.
Ayun na. We have so many things to iron. So guys, we are home. Magluluto tayo. So, bumili tayo ng gyoza. Because Beatrice wanted to eat gyoza. This chicken gyoza. Kakain daw siya. And we bought spring rolls. Ito yung sa akin. Tapos yung sa asawa ko naman. Yung asawa ko kakain ng salad. And we bought something na ito, solar. Ikabit namin ito. Ang cute, no? And dahil sa paghahanda, sabi nga nila maghanda, so bumili ako ng candle. We have still 2 candles there, but I bought 1 too. Para just in case ba, meron tayong pang extra. Just in case ng mga magkadiliman. So yun. And then, nila natin si Beatrice ng kanyang comb, bagong supply. Yan. And then I bought some hand cream. That's good. Mura lang to. Tapos, Baguette Pau Sortido. Cream. Now, 89 cents lang guys. 89 cents hand cream. For dry glass hands. With olive oil. So, panglagay ko sa bag. So, we bought a lot of bread. To get these pretzels. And, tingnan nyo na lang. Bread. So, yun. Yun yung binili natin, daming bread. Pero mga healthy bread yun. Ito yung kay Pedro na bread yan. May mga seeds. Tayo ng grass. Tapos, ako naman magluluto ko ng aking ito. My love, you also want to eat spring roll? No. Okay. Okay.